Sorry, I hit the stop record button, but as I was saying, this was definitely like a hurricane when we had this nor'easter bomb cyclone. It was like the others we had. There was one in October 2017, which was Felipe, and we had this bomb cyclone in 2019 that just appeared out of nowhere. This nor'easter. And the 2019 one got my flight canceled. And everything in New York City was like backed up at the airports. And I had to stay at the airport overnight while this area was getting pounded with hurricane winds. Yeah, it was not fun at all. It was like one of the most terrifying nights I ever dealt with. And that's where the series came in called Stranded at the Airport over a bomb cyclone. Now back to the 2021 nor'easter. So we didn't get hit this bad by this nor'easter, and Boston and Cape Cod got hit very hard by this thing. If this thing were to happen now, there would have been snow in the system. Yeah, there would have been like a lot of rain and snow. Because I dealt with these storms way before. We had a January 2018 blizzard that was a bomb cyclone. California just had two of them this year. I mean, the West Coast in general. Because one was in Vancouver, British Columbia, and the other was in San Francisco, California. So forget I said California 2 times. It was in 2 different places on the West Coast. Yeah, they dealt with a lot of power outages and mudslides. I mean, the rain was much needed, but they didn't need it that bad. Now, British Columbia and Washington State actually had bad flooding recently. Very bad. And the nor'easter that we just had that left, that was the storm that became Tropical Storm Wanda on October 30th and lasted for 1 week and then dissipated on daylight savings end time. So this was a crazy hurricane season for everyone, even for New York. We had like 3 of them. The worst impacts were like from Henri, Ida, and Wanda. So this was a crazy hurricane season. And now winter's coming, and it's gonna be too cold now, so it's over. I guess that's it. Bye.